Oh hey, didn't see you there.
We were just getting our kinetic energy up for the lesson today on chemical reactions.
Hey Professor Smarty Pants, guess what?
Yeah, Jemima?
I once tried to tell a chemistry joke, but there was no reaction.
That was a good one, Jemima. I slapped my knee on that one. Get it? Neon? Noble gas? No? Okay, cool.
Anyways, today we're going to take an in-depth look on the relationships of atoms.
And to represent our atoms, we have our unpaid interns.
Because Georgia Public Broadcasting is a non-profit organization. Thanks to viewers like you.
Thank you. Let's meet our atoms.
Sounds great.
So let's meet our atoms. This is atom A. His name is Adam, and he's really cool. And this is atom B. His name is Bob. Yeah. This is atom C. Her name is Corinne. She's also very cool. And this is atom D. Her name is Dan. She has an unfortunate name. But before we start learning about atoms' tricky relationships, it's time for some notes.
A chemical reaction is the changing of substances to other substances by the breaking of old bonds and the formation of new bonds. Types of chemical reactions are combination, also known as synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, and combustion.
A combination reaction is a chemical change in which two or more substances react to form a single new substance, also called a synthesis reaction.
So say Corinne doesn't understand her chemistry class. Then Bob offers to tutor her. The bond between the two grows strong, and they become a couple. This is a combination reaction.
A decomposition reaction is a chemical change in which a single compound is broken down into two or more simpler products. Now let's say Corinne doesn't get the grade she wants. She then dumps Bob because he was disappointing. This is called a decomposition reaction. Poor Bob.
A single replacement reaction is a chemical change in which atoms of an element replace atoms of a second element in a compound. So let's say that Corinne is still in search of an A in her chemistry class, and she hears that Adam, besides being very cool, is also very smart. But he has a girlfriend, Dan. No problem, because she is cooler than Dan, she steals her boyfriend. This is called a single replacement reaction. A double replacement reaction is a chemical change that involves an exchange of positive ions between the two compounds.
So in a fit of revenge, Dan decides to get together with Corinne's ex, Bob. But Adam isn't too happy about that. So he dumps Corinne to get Dan back, leaving Corinne with Bob. And Corinne, having nothing better to do, gets back together with Bob. They made the old switcheroo. This is called a double replacement reaction. A combustion reaction is a chemical change in which oxygen reacts with another substance, often producing energy in the form of heat and light, with products of CO2 and H2O. And now, chemistry kids, it's time for the chemistry quiz.
What type of reaction is this? A plus BC equals AB plus C. A. Decomposition. B. Single replacement. 3. A plus BC reaction. D. Charles Barkley's reaction.
Question 2. What happens in a synthesis reaction? A. Bob dumps Corinne. B. Bob and Corinne become boyfriend-girlfriend. C. A plus B equals AB. D. Both A and C. Or E. Both B and C.
Question 3. What happens in a double replacement reaction? A. Corinne and Bob break up. B. Corinne and Dan switch boyfriends. C. C3PO. D. Please pick B.
We hope you liked this video on chemical reactions today.
And next time, we're going to start learning about moles.
No, not this kind of mole, but make sure to bring your math hats.
See you next time.